When was the last time you cleaned up your home screen? Delete unused apps and enlist the help of your kids to go through and clean up pictures in your photos. Welcome to the Healthy Screen Habits Podcast. I'm Hillary Wilkinson. Whether you're starting your parenting journey with a newborn or looking to connect with your teen on technology, let's learn some new healthy screen habits together. If you're getting this episode in your feed today, it's most likely because you are a weekly dedicated listener, one who subscribes to the Healthy Screen Habits podcast. I am infinitely grateful for you. I am so grateful, honestly, for every single listen. Our mission at Healthy Screen Habits of educating families to create their healthiest screen habits while maintaining tech as a tool, never a replacement for human connection, is only possible through the amplification of the work researchers, parents, teachers, and thought leaders like you that are doing the hard work. That's you. That's you every week you engage with this podcast. If you're here, you're on the bleeding edge of digital wellness and intentional parenting. So that being said, I am on a constant search for new material and voices in this arena. If you think that the work that you do or someone you know is doing, you know of a book that's being written or another podcaster that is like-minded in this field that could benefit from being featured on Healthy Screen Habits, please reach out, get in touch with me. I am continually trying to build this network, and I would love to help you extend your reach. A rising tide or previously dry lake beds, as we have seen our waterways fill during the past few storms. All these things do indeed lift all boats. And I truly believe that the education and empowerment of all digital users will truly benefit us all. So tell me, who's raising the tide in your neighborhood? Send me a DM on Instagram or email me at hillary@healthyscreenhabits.org to let me know. Hillary with 2 L's. If you've followed Healthy Screen Habits for any amount of time, you know that all 4 founding members are moms. We have 14 kids between the 4 of us. And if there's anything kids will do, as you know, it is keep us honest. We truly walk our talk. We want to, and we have to. Our kids will ensure that we have to. I've loved every conversation with this group of amazing people. And I want to thank and appreciate everyone who came on for this season. And now we're going to take a step away to enjoy a little spring break with our own families. We will be back to return to our conversation on how to keep tech and life balanced and intentional. In the meantime, take this time that you have during this next couple of weeks to do a bit of digital spring cleaning. When was the last time you cleaned up your home screen? Delete unused apps and enlist the help of your kids to go through and clean up pictures in your photos. Delete duplicates and get rid of the ones that you don't need. So this activity is fun because you get to revisit some of your memories from the past year and clean out duplicates, like I said, or those pictures of like grocery lists, screenshots, directions, all those unused things that we don't need to look at anymore. The act of revisiting memories brings about reminiscence, which, as it turns out, is one of the best ways to increase language with younger kids and strengthen memory. When we reminisce, we also can frame stories to show our kids how much they mean to us, how incomplete our life would be without each other, and how we work together as a family. So enjoy your digital spring cleaning, and I look forward to being right back here with you. Have a wonderful spring break, everyone. For more information, you can find us on Instagram and Facebook at Healthy Screen Habits. Make sure to visit our website, healthyscreenhabits.org, where you can subscribe to the show on Apple Podcasts or via RSS, so you'll never miss an episode. It's free, it's fun, and you get a healthy new screen habit each week. While you're at it, if you found value in this show, we'd appreciate you giving us a quick rating. It really does help other people find us and spread the word of healthy screen habits. Or if you'd simply like to tell a friend, we'd love that too. I so appreciate you spending your time with me this week, and I look forward to learning more healthy habits together.